Hello, sir.
Just this iced coffee, sir. Have a nice day.
Hello, sir.
Man, I remember you from 10 years ago.
I've been doing this for years. Why am I still stuck?
Greg spent years trying to get rich, but he understood money too late.
Greg, you're one of the most reliable guys here.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
Greg did everything right, worked hard, showed up every day, did what he was told. He believed, if I stay consistent, it will pay off.
Okay. Rent, food, that's most of it.
Bro, don't stress. Just keep grinding.
Yeah. I just need more money.
So he worked more hours, more effort, more sacrifice. But every time he earned more, his life adjusted with it. Years passed, nothing changed.
I'm doing everything right, aren't I?
He wasn't getting ahead, he was just staying in place.
This doesn't make sense. I've been working for years. Where is it?
And for the first time, Greg stopped blaming his job. Greg realized something most people never do. It wasn't about working harder, it was about what he was building.
I'm not building anything.
No assets, no leverage, no system, just time, traded for money. But by the time he understood that, years were already gone. Years of effort in the wrong direction.
I thought I had time.
And that's why most people don't stay broke because they're lazy. They stay broke because they realize how money works too late.